Hey everyone, it's Joe and Irfan here from the Automator, and we had a client reach out to us. They automate a tool, and often, unfortunately, they have to use image search on it, which means you really got to take care of the resolution. And they're asking their users to make sure the DPI is set at 100, and of course, people don't pay attention to it. So we're like, hey, we have a script we can adjust. The tool I use often, I hit a hotkey to apply a certain DPI. Well, we borrowed from that, and Irfan very quickly created a tool that will we kind of do the Boy Scout approach, right? You first check what the resolution is or the DPI is, then we set it to be a 100, and then we can do our stuff, and then later go back and reset it to back to what it was. So Irfan's going to demonstrate here how to use it.
Okay, so when I run my script, it tells me my DPI is 100, not 100, it's 1 to 5. By the way, it's enum value for setting it to 100. So that will use DLL call for that. So, okay, so if I set if I hit Control F1, it will set it to 100. So you can see everything become smaller. And now I have stored my old DPI and I can check the display settings. Sorry, display settings. And it is 100 right now. So I'm gonna restore to 1 to 5. So if I hit Control F2 and now you can see everything like become
Yeah,
bigger.
jumped up.
Display settings and they are 1 to 5. So I restored it. So I have two functions. The first function is set DPI to 100, and we can set it to like anything which we want the default. Right now it is 100, and the reset to the previous DPI that we are restoring as well, like in our old global variable.
Also, which I didn't mention, the tool that we're helping our client automate is always on the primary monitor, which makes it easier for us because now we know we need to adjust the DPI on that monitor. However, you could adapt this script to say, okay, let me adjust a different monitor if you wanted to. All right, so thanks for watching. We'll put the URL here if you want to grab that. Should probably be $4.99 as a easy download. But thanks for watching. Check it out. Cheers.